is oh, just in time. Well, a little bit late, but just in time. Harry's here to say hi as well. How's everyone doing? How was the rest of yesterday? I'm still a little bit bummed. Am I 100% yet? No. I have a headache, but it's not as bad as yesterday, so I think that counts as winning. Let's see how much we are then able to do today. Okay, so first thing is first. No, what am I doing? That can stay there. That has not been taken. First thing is first, it went took out that buy side liquidity. Cool. I did suspect that it would do that, which it did. So nice. This don't need any more. I'm kind of gonna go through everything. Let's see what we get. Obito, what's up? And Deb, hi, how are you? Good morning, good morning. Okay, let's mark out everything. How was the rest of yesterday's session? Happy Wednesday, by the way. I keep forgetting where we're at because this whole week just feels a bit like a blur. But it is indeed Wednesday. How wild. Okay. It is indeed Wednesday. New daily opening gap. Okay, so Asia high right over here. Kim. Wakey wakey. Okay, and Asia low all the way down there. Again, Asia moved alright. Nothing like yesterday, but it moved alright. Okay, yesterday's New York. I'll mark that as the New York high. Okay. New York low's already been taken. There is this little low, which has now created relative equal lows going on right there. So I have marked that out. Okay. Everything I wanted to mark out there. Just gotta mark out Midnight Magnet, which is over there. What's up, Eddie? How are we today? It's 24 degrees already. It might be 34. 10 more degrees in 6 hours. Damn. Deb, that's insane. That is insane. Well, at least it's a great day to go swimming. Right, let's look on the bright side. Definitely a great day to go swimming. Yeah. It's been warm, which is great, but also a little bit terrifying for me. It does mean I'm gonna go back to such cold weather. If you're not used to cold weather, you're gonna get chucked into the deep end, which is where I'm at. Okay. Okay. Let's do this then. Now. What did I want to do? I wanted to do something. For the life of me, I can't remember what it was that I wanted to do now. Oh wait, I do kind of remember. Where's 9:30? 9:30 is here. So from 9:30 till 4. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna watch how it goes at those levels. Doggo, what's up? How are we doing? I'm doing fantastic. How am I doing this glorious evening? Damn, Eddie, you have all the energy. I love it. How am I doing? I'm doing good. I'm very much ready. I know probably driving when you're sick is not the best thing, but screw it. We're gonna be driving soon. It's happening. I basically have kind of 3 days to get better. That should be fine. I'll have 3 days to dose myself. It was bad enough yesterday. It was only 32. Hey, what's up, Trade Addict? How are you doing? Somehow your chat isn't working. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. But I see you now. How are you? How's it all going? Got my tea. We're ready for this day. Okay. Marked out everything. I feel like, I don't know. Am I overcomplicating things again? Me feels like maybe I am. Let's see. Oh, it is Wednesday. I did say today was going to be probably chaotic. Quick, someone send my Mesa glasses for POV vlog. How much are Mesa glasses? I feel like they're expensive, Eddie. Are those not expensive? I feel like those will be quite expensive. Okay, so we do have a bearish fair value gap on the daily. Well, I guess we can't call it a fair value gap yet, but there do be imbalances. Let's see if it goes to correct them today, if we're gonna just keep going down, down, down. Definitely got fair value gaps on the 4 hour. Cool. So we shall see what happens there on the 1 hour. We're going. Mighty propagator today, colors offsetting like magic. Nice. What's up, Atlanta? How you doing? Awan, hi. How are you? Okay, 1 hour. Ew. Okay. Yes, Asia has kind of been going sideways if you look at the 1 hour, 15 minutes. Sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this on the 15-minute. Make sure everything that I want is up. Yes, just. Okay, so there's 2 more points of interest on the 15-minute. Here's one. Here's the other. And this one at the tippy top, but everyone kind of knows about that one. One's going to be taken out rather quickly, I think. Okay, so on the 15-minute, we have the new daily opening gap. Just have some fair value gaps over there. Bearish over here. Okay. 5-minute looks like chaos. Pure chaos. What everything low-key looks like right now. Very interesting. So I've been keeping an eye on these value area highs and lows, seeing how the chart reacts. You can see that it actually rejected straight off of it, and a similar thing happened then again over here. Reject straight off it, almost back up directly to the point. So that's the new thing I've been kind of forward testing. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's get ourselves ready, steady. How's time looking? It is now officially 3 a.m. Let's do this. $300, $600, but they're well worth it. Oh my gosh. Prepping for tomorrow. What's up, Admiral? What do you mean prepping for tomorrow? Are you talking about like New York? So I trade both London and New York, so no, I'm prepping for now. Okay, 3 a.m. open was a doji. Okay. I'm waiting for a very specific question to be asked today. When that question is asked, I will do something. Dun dun dun! What's up, DM9007? I don't know if that was. How are you doing? How's everything going? We are hopefully getting going here. Let's see. You know, I'll take that too far. Yeah, probably. Just call me Dale. Dale. What's up, Dale? What's up, Danya? Did I say that correctly? I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. Well, that goes for everyone. How has everyone's week been going? Are we in the green? Are we in the red? Meh. Yeah, how's it going for everyone so far? VWAP over here, midnight over there, new daily opening gap. Okay. Okay, keeping an eye on everything for everyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
So for anyone that's new, hi, what's up? What do you guys trade? How long have you been trading? Are you profitable yet? Tell me a little bit about yourselves. Welcome to the community. Headache's gone, maybe the markets will heal. I mean, headache's not really gone, but it's better. It's a lot better today. Maybe the markets will heal me. If it's a good day, the markets will heal. If it's a bad day, it's probably going to make the headache so much worse. So I guess it all depends. It all depends. We're going to have to wait and see what it decides to do. Would be nice if the markets had like healing properties that I didn't know about. That'd be awesome. I think looking like quite a day for volatility potential. Might be a wide swing during New York overnight. Okay, so Admiral, are you a swing trader? What, the markets have healing powers? What exactly are those healing powers? I have questions that I need answered. Not quite, went down there. So had the open, VWAP is down here. Let's see, Midnight Magnet is right there. So a little bit of a bullish move would be, bearish move would be quite nice. Let's see if it taps down into here and then potentially we see a bull retracement. Stick to an open market. You'll get the healing point, I believe it. What's up, Boom? How are you? You day trade but also swing on long term. I trade mostly option contract timings, monthly, quarterly, yearly, 5 year. Oh my gosh. Okay. Admiral, good grief. How long have you been trading for? What's up, Revive Trade? I'm good. How are you doing? Ah, boom, that's awesome. Hopefully not just good. I'm hoping amazing and ready for the day. And ready for whatever the day is gonna bring us. There we go, Atlanta got a very specific boom, hello. Okay, so watching here. Let's see. Oh good, how many hours? Oh, I slept quite a bit, I'm not gonna lie. When I clocked off a little bit early, I went and I fell asleep. I woke up to eat and then I went straight back to sleep. So I had a lot of sleep. I built my analysis tool. I've got 6-layer system. It reads also extension. Great at reading volatility ranges. Nice. Took it seriously in 2016. Hey, Baza. Oh my goodness. Atlanta, you're having too much fun. I don't even know. What are you doing? You're just having too much fun today. It's not a bad thing. Have fun. Fun is good. I wanted to check. I mean, this 5-minute doesn't look too great, does it? $15-minute. Curious about this 15-minute range. It could actually be quite nice to see it go down. Like I said, tap into the new daily opening. There's VWAP there and Midnight Magnet. Actually, not a bad trade. Just have to make sure it's not choppy today. What's up, live sound? I'm fine. Getting there. one day at a time, right? I'm better. I think I sound better. I nearly lost my voice yesterday evening. I was like, damn, that'll be entertaining. I can't speak during the stream, just sitting there going, but the only thing that's left is a very irritating headache. So that's fine. When I make my own trading school, I'm going students behind deal with the paranoia part of trading. Oh my goodness, Atlanta, that sounds terrible. Directing hit on guaranteed. Got everybody literally and figuratively. Oh no, what a shame I with my voice. I feel like you're mocking me and that you would actually love that. Just saying. Trading for me makes more than my job now, although I'm not rich yet. Taking a long time to get good though. Just keep learning and learning on the route of studying institution. Oh nice, Admiral, okay. So would you ever only trade, or do you enjoy having something else to do? No. Life sound, you're such a liar. You are such a liar. Okay, so you enjoy having something else to do. Life sound, how was the rest of your day? I know you also kind of clocked off at around the same time. But how's it been going? How's your back, by the way? Life sound? I haven't even asked. How have you been? Okay, so I did tap into VWAP on ES. Let's see how this reacts here. Still no. Atlanta, is there something new on my chart? No, I don't think so. Why? Does it look like there is? I bought to do it. I find it, so I think it's for my own fun one day, but one step at a time. Damn, Admiral, I admire the vision. Maybe that's the right word. I admire the vision. Oh, this is the new daily opening gap. Yeah, that's what that is. Back is pretty bad. Yesterday was decent. Not to really do anything outside this week. Got some more. Oh, okay. Well, good and bad. Bad that your back hurts. Good that you're keeping yourself a little bit busy. Yeah, it's tough. It is tough. Where it looks like, yeah. Oh yeah. So new daily opening gap. This is what that is. Okay. So far, meh. That's all I have to say right now with regards to the price action. Just so far, meh. Let's see what happens. I need hot tea. I've got hot tea. It is nice and warm and toasty. I just don't have like honey or lemon. So I know honey and lemon is supposed to be a really good thing, but I'm not about to go and buy stuff because everything is unplugged. So I don't have a fridge. I can't keep things cold. Kept my kettle out because I can't go without my tea or coffee. And finally got a whoop whoop on goal for sales after a few losses. Also good morning, good to hear you sound better today. What's up, Lucky? How you doing? Yay, well done on the gold. Is the main ingredient in tea. Water. Am I moving this week? So literally the movers are coming on Friday. So in 2 days. Which is wild. Yeah, the movers are arriving on Friday. You're realizing probably not getting back to fitting Popeyes. I've done a few jobs and I've spent a few days recovering. Yeah, lifestyle. Okay, so that's a bit of a toughie. So if you do something, it takes you a while to recover. And there's nothing you can do that's like not manual. Does that make sense? Where you can just kind of sit back and watch. Supervisor. Be the supervisor. Sit there and yell at people. I know it's probably not what you want to do, but Admiral, then put together my own strategy, tested, etc. Damn. I hope the movers get caught in a massive sandstorm and you have to carry everything yourself. Atlanta, my guy, they will have to make a plan. That's all I'm saying, because it's an 8-hour drive. I'm not carrying anything. What's up, Arthur? How you doing? Generally, lead on the beat. Generally speaking, now's the time to buy pretty much any at the top 10 crypto. It doesn't get much more bearish. So I don't really trade crypto elite on the beat, but does anyone trade crypto here? Do you guys agree with that? Trying to get into the manager end of things. Interviewed last Friday for 2 jobs, so we might hear something back this week. There we go, live sound. See? That's super exciting. I don't mind sitting there and yelling at people. There we go. Friday nice. Me. Show me the new place. Yeah, I will. Sure. Boom, I'll take you through a virtual tour. 8 hours of moving, huh? It's up to you. Well, that's 8 hours of driving. Just to get there. Lucky, I'm trying to be good at just... Yeah. You moderators owe you a nice housewarming gift. Bitcoin looks bearish, but index is looking bullish. Thanks, Admiral. Lead on me. What am I trading at? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Look at this now, looking like it's gonna work out. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, specifically the micros, so MNQ. I'm just waiting and watching to see what happens here. This is kind of choppy. Come on. Today was the day that I was like, yeah, screw it. We might just go all out. Oh, that's a great job. I'm getting paid to tell my something wrong. Yeah. Atlanta, yeah. But no one's asked it yet. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for it. It's gonna happen soon. What's up, Minimally? How you doing? I'm just watching the chop going. Hopefully it doesn't stay choppy. I mean, maybe we'll have to give it until 4. We know that 4 AM tends to, or can, give us some really good trades. I do that already for free. I passed second eval on Monday. Yesterday I made 100 points on my funded. Oh, minimally, that's amazing. Well done. I'm a man at the end of the line. If you need me, questions. Oh, no man, Atlanta. It'd be weird. It's nothing weird. Apparently racking my brain for the question that we apparently know to ask. How do I put this? Life sound, you always... It is you that says it like every day. I'm calling back to break even account balance. Oh, minimally, that's awesome. That is awesome. Life sound always pull a face at you when you ask. There's a lot of people have. No, not that one. Life sound, you've never asked me that question. What do I look like without the glasses? Is it a Clark Kent situation? I don't know. I don't know if anyone's ever seen me in person to be like, yeah, couldn't recognize her because she didn't have glasses on. I'm curious to see if more people are gonna recognize me when I move up to Joburg. I feel like there's a lot of Joburgians. That's not what they're called, but anyways, there's a lot of Joburgians that watch this live. What's up, Moonshine? How you doing? Blue in your hair, Maya. That's you all day. I know. When we're taking out my OMC that parent window. There we go. I was waiting for you to be like, so when are you packing up your books? When are you gonna pack up your bookcase? That's 40 miles away, it's in a foot, and then run the other direction. Wow. Why would you run the other direction? Boom's scared I'm gonna fangirl over him. That's what it is. Boom's scared I'm gonna be like, oh my god, it's Boom Banana! And start going crazy. How do you do that? That's exactly what I sound like. It's a skill that I have. I just know these things. I can tell what people sound like. A friend of mine, I didn't trade using him. I heard it was happening. I've not even been 12 hours yet. It's been trading with can't complain. Nice, Debbie, that is awesome. So you're getting better at teaching people. But am I doing it? Are we doing it? Must I take it down? What do you guys think? Oh man, she's gonna do the thing. Should I? Should I make it a big reveal? Did I? This is a weird question. If you guys aren't you, you are new, and you're reading this, you're just like, what? What does she mean? I'm scared you're gonna beat me. Boom, you're scared I'm gonna beat you up. Why on earth would I beat you up? Apart from the fact that it looks like fun. Have you got confetti cannons and air horns and stuff? I wish. That would be amazing. Oh no, I don't. Like I said yesterday, from 3,000 dropping another 700 points minimum. My Yankee target was. For those that don't know, I know lifestyle. That's exactly. I was like, wow. If no one knows what's happening, they're gonna be like, what? What? What is going on? Oh wow, look at that. It's not 100% yes. I think that's very interesting. I thought everyone would be like, yeah, let's do this. So moonshine. So if I'd taken this trade, just by the way, I would still be in this thing. So this is very much going sideways right now. Has anyone taken a trade since open? So not yesterday, not during Asia, I'm saying since 3 AM EST time. Has anyone taken a trade? So since 22 minutes ago. Has anyone taken anything? How's it looking? Oh, you have a point. You have a point. What does down even mean? Should I take it down? How would that even refer to clothes? I don't understand. No trade, I prepped a short, but not confident on that. I'm just kind of waiting to see what this plans on doing. It's going so sideways. I feel like I'll just do that and you'll understand. Banana, yeah, you'd beat me up. I would not beat you up. Why on earth would I beat you up? Yeah, because maybe she doesn't understand why you're taking them down. Are you taking them downtown for a drink? I don't understand. Life sound, see? Taking them down makes no sense. So I'm talking rubbish. Clearly I'm feeling a little bit better because I'm full of sugar honey iced tea again today. Already seen without you? No, you haven't. You haven't seen anything. You know, man, on drink with the drink. Oh, flip. Oh my gosh, I've been lied to my whole life. I feel like I need answers now. I've been lied to my whole life. Atlanta, when have you ever seen without my background? Oh. What's up, Jonas? You want to start trading? You're in South Africa. No experience. Any advice? If you have capital to do it, go for it, but don't expect it to be quick, easy money. I think that's about it. If you're hoping for it to be a get-rich-quick situation, then trading is not for you. And if you see someone saying you're gonna get rich quick, they're probably scamming you. Okay. And you're in South Africa, Jonas. Same Z's, welcome. Life sound, I would be scared of my girlfriend said, shouldn't I take my shorts down? How much capital? In South Africa, let's say if you're wanting to do a prop firm. want to say 5,000 Rand, maybe more, but 5,000 Rand should be good, and you shouldn't care about that money. I think that's the key point here. You shouldn't care about losing that money. If that money is like your everything, then don't do it. Right? It should be 5,000 Rand that you don't care if it disappears. I can tell I'm very comfortable. The answer to that question is always yes. I've been married 17 years, and if I say no to that question, my wife knows. Just mother me in my sleep. Well, Maya just told her to blow. No, I did not. Is it he or she? Oh, no idea. Lucky. What do you mean blow up his? What do you mean? Not did I? Did I? I didn't mean to. Be wise. You know, don't think this is a sprint or a marathon. Any training platform suggestions? Okay, so I mean, there's a few videos that you can start looking at. I can also send you some videos. There's a bunch of books as well that you can start with. I think you just have to start with the basics. It's going to be very overwhelming. That's all I can say. When you start trading, it's very, very overwhelming. Because there's a lot. Backtesting and getting the stats behind your trade. Great for backtesting. There we go, thank you. Webull is free. We get it in South Africa. There we go. You know, I'm pretty sure you can also download TradingView for free and do some backtesting with it. It's not obviously real time but you can do a little bit of backtesting and figuring some things out. Jonas, sure, if you don't mind, if you do have Discord, pop into the Discord, then pop me a message. Just if you do hop onto the Discord, please just be aware that there are scammers. They're so irritating. Running strats, etc. Start with market structure and work out from there. Keep basic highs, lows, break your structure, etc. So you actually find it very easy for someone that's new. How's everyone doing? You know what confuses me? Ah, never mind. Less confused. That comment will be skipped over. What? What did microwave say? Yes. Yes, it will. What's up, Burn? What's up? Am I here too? I'm always here. My whole right. Are you one of those abusive type girls? I'm really not. I don't know where you're getting this idea from. Okay, so it's happening. Are we ready? I did tell you that Wednesday was going to be wild and fun. You see a little quick scale possible at 297.50 long. Where's Solly gone? Well, I mean, if it goes down into VWAP, I can actually... It would be nice to see it reject off of here and then continue back up. But this is legitimately going sideways. You have to pay for backtesting. Can't you just like hop on and do... I guess you can't. Never mind. I can picture you holding a knife. That's terrifying. The hair is... view up and liquidity at 297.50 and then up we go. That's what I'm kind of waiting for, see what it does there. This is just messing around right now. It's on the wall. Looks like it's found inside it. Backtesting is free on Ninja because it's the goat. Are we ready? Wait. Yes? I'm questioning if I should do this, but you guys, it's yeah. And I have some extra space. Are we ready? Wait, I have to undo something. Let's do that. And that. Do you guys see it moving? It's happening. It's happening. I feel like I should be standing in front of it. Perry's judging me, which is rude. Perry is high-key judging me. Do I think my dog's gonna be mad when I move? Yes. Yeah, my dog's gonna be super grumpy. He's already not. I don't think mad is the right word. He's just upset because it's scary. Are we ready? You guys are about to be like witnessing the most boring background. Can I just say that? Boring. You guys have been asking for it. I told you the red curtains. I'll open up the curtains now. Let me actually adjust this for a second because that's irritating me. Ooh! Ta-da! Am I dying? What do you mean am I dying? Mine is getting pissed off the screen. You guys are terrible. No, what did I do? Here we go. No more green screen. I still closed. Can I open them now? I do have a window. What's up, Daz? Why is it pink? It's not pink, it's red. It's a red one. It just looks pink, I guess. No, I didn't book the chair. I don't want to believe anymore. And now I'm gonna move this. It's irritating me. So I do actually have to pack this. Yeah. Hiya. So ta-da! And it's super, super boring. Okay, you guys asked though. It might be super bright though. I apologize if it's super bright. Oh, it is super bright. I can't see. Hopefully the plant was. No wonder it never grew. I do have a plant. Must I bring my plant? That it back makes it look red. Careful, you got your feet out on screen. Put the dog behind you with his bed. It's familiar and professional at the same time. Oh, that's actually a good idea. Harry, you want to go back there? He's chilling next to me. You know, Docs was better with the curtains closed. You're overexposed now. Ah, thanks, Jackie. Okay. I'm overexposed. I'll close it then. This is just like having a good day. I can't deal with this. Better? It does look super pink though. Oh, thanks, Brent. I appreciate that. I don't used to cut that plant every day. Can I have a potty? Exposed live sound? That was funny. That was a goodie. I really like that one. Aha! Are we breaking down now? Break it down now, y'all. Yes, here we go. Let's see if it taps into VWAP. Okay, we're finally moving. What happened? Nothing, it's just 3:35. Now it looks like Can get rid of good colors, but oh, thank you, Shaki. How you doing, Shaki? That was very evil. Why was it evil? I don't understand. I know it's a little bit boring, right? But I mean, there is now freedom to move. Let's see what we get. Okay. Now back to the charts. Now that I've confused everyone, I think everyone's gonna hop on here and be like, what is going on? So I was looking at this, but it didn't seem wise because of the chop. This seems dumb because of the fact that it's about to hop into a bunch of stuff over there. This could retest slightly, but actually this doesn't look terrible. Yeah, so they're tapped into VWAP. That's what I wanted to see what it does here. Is this where it starts pushing back up, or is this where we just continue dropping back down? Just hit TP. Oh, Beta, that is awesome. Well done. Great screen lost Wi-Fi and had a power cut. Boom, am I happy to be moving? I'm so excited. I actually can't even begin to tell you how excited I am to be moving. It was very brave of you to share the mud hut. See, it's not a mud hut. I just like nearly lost my voice there. Not a mud hut. Do I sound fine? No, I'm fine. Not a mud hut. I was having to question my life there. When are you gonna do the chicken nugget video? I'm not doing a chicken nugget video. I mean, I could do a chicken nugget video when I'm back. Do you know how far away McDonald's is from me now? It ain't so easy to get to a McDonald's here. I seem to be in another location. No, I'm fast. Oh, cuts move. Civilization seem wise. Live sound. You have a point. Don't forget to hit the like button and help the girl out, boys and girls. Aw, thanks, Atlanta. I'm not gonna lie. I think I actually prefer it like this. It seems more open. It is more open. I can move now. Look. Apart from that. But yeah, I got space. The one where I eat as many chicken nuggets as I can. I mean, boom, if you want to order me some chicken nuggies that arrive here and I just sit here and eat chicken nuggies, I won't complain because chicken nuggies sound amazing. So I did look at this, but it did just tap into VWAP, so potentially not. So someone did ask me if I'm overcomplicating things. I don't know. Do you guys think I'm now overcomplicating things a little bit? Like there's too much happening on the charts? It is possible. I know keeping it simple is good, but sometimes I think keeping it too simple makes me feel like I'm trading blind. Does that make sense? I'm a little bit in two blinds. Oh my gosh. I'm like losing my voice. I don't know how I would do that. Uber Eats, I guess. DoorDash. The second bush on the left. You chop. I mean, oh, yes. I mean, if you were to simplify it, what would you do? I guess take everything away. Like, take those away. Still have this, still have like the liquidity levels. And that's it. But isn't that too simple? So OTT in the background is going, yes. I'm assuming your yes was to my question. High time frame waypoints, as long as you know that they are high time frame, that is obvious to you. I want you to buy 100 nuggies. You're right, I am doing Prime right now. Well, I mean, homeless people in Los Angeles managed to receive their DoorDash orders. What? We don't have DoorDash in South Africa. Okay. I've been thinking that for the last few months. Me person how to get rid of problem levels, come over to the dark side, take my hand. It's like, hey, come here, learn order flow. Too simple. I used to trade just bull flags and bear flags. Okay, and how did it work for you, Shaggy? Why did you change it? Maya, just copy OTT. Yeah, but he doesn't give me the secret sauce. Ugh. He must tell me like when and where, and but that's basically just not really learning. Better talk. You guys are terrible. Yeah, how much would I have to send you? Send me USD. I actually don't know. Cost from 200, I feel like that's a lie, to 700, basically 800 rand. Okay, wait, let me say. Hope this answers your question. 100 McDonald's chicken nuggets in South Africa will cost between 700 and 900 rand, depending on whether you buy them in 20-piece packets or individually. What? And that's not including like Uber Eats or Mr. D delivery. Bruh. So let's say 1,000 rand. So let's go rand to dollar. Oh, yeah, okay. I guess around $70. I must admit, I don't really listen to it very often. Ooh, there we go. Okay, now it's moving. Now it's moving. None of you know me now. What's up, Dylan? How you doing? Abomination of creation. And high tech and all of the box off my screen. It wasn't great. I wanted to have more info and be able to have some idea of when the market could reverse or when it would go on and run. Basically, I wanted better targets. Shaki, but that's basically it. Without things, I feel like I'm being a little bit blind. Does that make sense? And I think that's the thing that's been irritating me, which is why I've been looking. I mean, I looked at the volume profile. Can I just say, Ollie, this VP here, to see how it rejected off of the value area high, went down to value area low, basically went back up to value area high. Very interesting. Just going off of the previous day volume profile. So I am trying to get more information. Yeah. No, trying to get to work. He stopped that a few months ago. I'm assuming I don't know this very often, but I feel bad now. I'm not doing so. I'm not making them myself. The 904 Maxi, sorry, I was hanging my head in shame. So that's basically, let's say 1,000 round for 100 chicken nuggies, mac chicken nuggies. Like a lot, but once you learn it, good and simple. The guy in charge actually does it, and he doing also. My traits are stupid, but it works like it's actually stupid simple. I want to see if you can eat that. I'm gonna speak to the board of directors about this first. My more information equals gets confused. True. More information doesn't always mean more accuracy. Where would I send the money? I don't even know. Oh no, I just closed my Discord. Oops. Oh, Wi-Fi is freaking out. I don't know the response to do that. I'm sure Prey will finish any. Oh, he 1000% full. Stupid sometimes. I mean, his strat is simple. Just executes. Wow. Autoflow and volume profiles are supposed to be great. I just haven't had the time to commit to learn it. Jackie, that's kind of the direction I'm heading in. Yesterday's pattern, I'm going to show a lot about today's pattern in the next minute. The only thing a complicated chart is good for is distracting you from the one thing you need to master. That's price action. Open, high, low, close. Interesting, Dan. Okay. What do you guys consider simple then on your charts? Only facts in your chart is messy with things that you don't even need. The only thing I need to know is what I'm doing at my entry. Anything is left up for pre-set up things, so OTT ain't wrong. So you've had no Wi-Fi for 36 hours? Don't worry, apparently mine is freaking out. We're still live. Oh, I am. Okay. I thought it did the thing where it cut my stream. Okay, we're back, I think. What's up, David G? How you doing? Is your strike more mechanical or discretionary? It's mechanical. See, that's it. I need a very mechanical strategy, right? But isn't that just like ideas of where it could go? Like VWAP is a good rejection point, new daily opening. Are you saying that's even too much? A lot of seasoned successful traders that I follow use some form of order flow and volume. This is like a a meh setup right now. I'm still watching. I'm trying. I feel very uncomfortable not having the bob levels up there, I'm not gonna lie, but I am gonna give it a try. Mine needs one that's so mechanical that she has no excuse for not entering. Yep. Microwave sounds like a predator right now. So there's gonna be some godly strategies out there, but ask yourself what you're missing in a strategy and find a way to get that answer. So exactly, it's actually a discussion I had with OTT the other day. I said, you know, my strategy does work. You know, is it amazing? No, but it does work. But, you know, just like every strategy, it has the capability of working. I hate that I sometimes feel completely blind. I think that's the thing that freaks me out. So I want more information to not feel blind, but now I think too much information makes it overcomplicated. So do you see how it's really confusing? It's quite irritating. Well, I have VWAP up, but I don't use MACD or EMS. Atlanta, it's not my last, it's my second last London session. It'll be my last New York session, which is why I said it is gonna definitely be some insanity going on today. Get in, get green, get out of that strategy works, everybody's working. Bots mine is fairly discretionary, but essentially has 2 triggers and then a preset entry point. Huh. It's just a lot of things. I don't even use new daily opening gaps, only new weeklies, and they're big enough. I don't even use opening time. It was so confusing. Huh, okay. In a moment. Moonshine, you're longer 806 to 840. Oh, nice. Did it not tag 840? No, just missed. Then you have to take one. Yep, I will, Atlanta. Retest the support of results taking on trade a day, up 30% since the. Oh, Logan, that's awesome. Well done. They would do things. Ooh. The ES looks like it's giving more price action than the NQ. You are actually not incorrect at all. ES looks like it's giving better movement right now. I don't subscribe to a lot of the indicators like MACD or RSI. They're lagging indicators. I haven't pivoted away from the market structure to an extent. Why would I talk to AI when I got you guys, Atlanta? If you don't mind, then what is the mechanical edge you have? There's no way a candle contains some secret information about the future. If you can see how many people are, like how many buyers and sellers are coming in, won't that give a bit of an indication? Like that's where a lot of people use the DOM, right? Copy releasing my whites. Don't say white sauce. Mikawabe, you got this. Trust your strategy on yourself. Oh, Logan, you're a sweetie pie. Thank you. For real, a profitable mechanical strategy is going to be a game changer. I do agree with that. That's the thing. I need to lock it, right? Need mechanical, and well, obviously profitable. Also to be a bit pointless. I was at the point described a few months ago. I honestly got super hard. Talked to AI about it, and in return it gave me a script to apply to my trading platform. What? Okay. I've said indicators will struggle to do that for me now. Also, trading definitely no hobby for me now. It's going on for me for sure. I can be. Oh my gosh. OTT.
That's what she said.
Otiana being out here today. Yeah, no, I've been away from the game for a couple of months, but feeling it again. I'll give it a try. That's volume and order flow in sales. I sometimes use the tick chart to get a sense of the flow volume and helps for... Wait, that's volume and order flow in sales. I sometimes use a tick chart to get a sense of the flow of the volume. Is helpful for sensing the mood coming when the ticks pick up once you get used to it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, because different than any others. That's good. Alright, I think maybe say the running. You can add discretion after a while, but having a set rules to execute rather than looking for good try it type of vibe. Boom, you need $1. I think I misunderstood your question. Okay, interesting. Land, I'll have to look at that properly, but I see. And that's what I'm asking is what are your triggers? Yeah, I'm learning that run is gonna make a huge difference, even if you leave position on that TP, it's good for all the P&L. I sunk you. I have my days of frustration still, though I have more good than bad. It's not bad trades, just how it goes. Laugh in the Discord. Wow. Why are you being mean to Atlanta? What did Atlanta do? Been spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Do 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 do. I don't know why that. I need a dollar. Bruh, it's not even 4 AM yet. What is happening? Like, part of me is going, wow, this is going real fast. Another part of me is going, oh my gosh. What did Atlanta do? He does so much. Candlestick pants are largely bunk. Certain things like stacked up support and resistance levels can be determined by candlestick charts, but just easy my volume and order flow too. Okay. So I'm trying to get rid of some things to just simplify it, right? Let us simplify this a little bit. Returning, okay. Then I'll just go to is now been had. Last time my triggers on my pre-planned levels and delta that your may trigger. Okay, nearly 4 AM. Let's see what we get. Okay, going. Kinda going. Let's see. So step one to my simplifying, right click delete all drawings. Who's with me? If someone donates $50, Maya will delete all of her chart setups on TradingView. What? Like everything. Everything. What about the liquidity levels? And. And that's not good for business, but I literally logged on to Discord and had 5 Myers message me. No thanks. Let's see. But that'll just destroy her head. I mean, at this point, we're kind of having a bit of a fun day. Because why not? Right? Why the heck not? It is second last streaming day. Well, last proper streaming day. Because like I said, tomorrow I'll be here in the morning and then I'll go bye-bye. There's no such thing as liquidity. But there is. Mikowabe, even Geordie was like, do you have liquidity at this level? Okay, so in the same sense, right, we can't level any hours from one entry and exit, there's no such thing. Only money getting effective for me it doesn't fit any of those in a session. I just don't get a trade. I should only see session highs and lows, and mainly Asia and London, and the rest gotta go. And the previous liquidity? OTT? Because he still has ICT in his brain. I mean, I took the bob level down. That was a very big step for me. Like this, it could go down a little bit further. And it taps into there. Now what am I doing? I'm being blonde, that's what I'm doing. Probably done because this is going a bit on more of a bearish situation. Anyways. What's up, Geordie? That's funny, you're being blonde. What's up, Geordie? How's it going? We're having debates here. Aww. Rats. That's now just running away. Ah. Wow, solidly running away. Okay. Damn, better come back down a little bit lower. Pity. The background explained. Oh, Jody, I took down the green screen. Look. Yeah. You messed up my brain and said we use liquidity. Why the fuck is a question coming? Moonshine, well done. You're out. What a ride. Yeah. I've even taken off bob levels today. I'm very uncomfortable. Who else primarily uses limited? Well, you know I do. Kind of off topic, but do you exercise? Are you trying to say I'm fat? But yes, I do. Well, not right now because I'm sick, obviously, but in general I do. And I haven't been able to do as much recently. I get it, Atlanta. Okay, I'm fat. Damn! Atlanta just popping on here being mean. Let's see. Oh, thank you. No, I was just trying to find an excuse for the chaos on her chart. Volume liquidity doesn't even matter anymore. Jordy, why do you sound so sad about that? What happened? Are you good? What's up, Dylan? Dylan, I thought you went to bed. What's happening? Wait, let's see if I move this, if Perry will lie behind me. And I can see him shut. Damn it! Ah! The pain! Ah, my kneecap. Oh, okay. Okay. Clearly I'm feeling better because I'm full of rubbish again today. Anyways. Damn. Jordy? Where did Mikuave hurt you? Show me. I think some people struggle because they have misconceptions of how the market works. Hey Shaki, what do you mean by that? Then we'd all be successful. Lifestyle? No, he is definitely getting a new bed. This bed sucks. I was looking at it the other day and I was like, nah, you need a new bed. But to be fair, yes, my bed is his bed. He sleeps on the bed. He just lies here when I work. I'm not floating on my screen. I'm messing with my Robin. I wanted to get rid of the say hi button. Oh, okay. Okay. It was cold. Sorry. I'm back. What's up, Gawk? How are you doing? No. I hate my plan. I'll just like ICT not many actually simplify their trading. I'll go back now on some see what's what. Think about this. The market works by matching each buyer with seller. Then why do people say bulls are in control, bears are in control? They're being matched buy and sell equally. I'm in serenity mode. Oh, nice, Jordy. Eyes are wide open. Oh my gosh. OTT, did I just read that? David G, coffee. I think I might need a coffee. I just had some tea. Oh, haven't finished my tea. I have tea. Oh. Boom, do you want to pick butterfly of the day again? OTT, good grief. With some bullet booty. Thanks. I thought she forgot it was Wednesday. It's Wednesday, guys. It's Wednesday. I mean, I do actually. I was chatting with my friend about it, and they sent some options. I'm not gonna lie, I did. I do, guys. I have a problem. I've just noticed my trading view is burning into my screen. Oh! Live sound? That's low-key hilarious. Look at it! Oh, is it on my face? Specific trading. Like, actually, the one push away from becoming a full but I actually said that I said randomly, man. I'm not saying people should be reading the commitment of traders report every week, but understand seeing these move up, but knowing why the market price moves is something fundamental. Okay, let's maybe ask this. I don't know how to ask this question. What would you guys say moves the market? I have my answer, but I want to hear what you guys say. Forest giant owl butterfly. Why does it sound like a moth? One way we're doing. I was mom able to flow trades. I'm never verified track on me too. Harry P Money, Pretoria waits you, right? Okay. Forest giant L butterfly. Wait. Like, that one seems a little risque. That is the correct one. Can I just say, on the 15-minute, it's working like a damn dream. 15-minute chart. So, yuck. 15-minute chart. I drew this setup. Check. Tagged in, now going up. Pity about that. I am ICT. Even Pete, I look at his head like this. Look at him. He's so cute. Market makers move the market. If I answered moves the market, Ollie gonna have a fit. Say it. OTT said. What makes the market make move? Ooh, say that fast 5 times. What makes the market makers move? What makes the market makers move? What makes the market makers move? Ooh. Anyways. Yeah, if you're trading order flow, you're trading ICT without knowing it, unless you're being spoofed. Spoofed. Oh, that's a cool word. Spoofed. Right, butterfly of the day. Is this actually a butterfly? I thought this was a moth. Apparently not. That is so cool. What? Is that what it looks like on the inside? No. I don't think they give it enough credit for how it looks on the inside. So on the outside, you can see why they call it an owl butterfly, because with its wings open, I know this is just two together, but you can see it kind of looks, here we go. You can see in this one that it looks like an owl, so it deters the predators. But what on earth, guys? That's how it looks on the inside. That is awesome. Very cool pick today. But I thought this was a moth. Apparently not. I really thought it was a moth. Okay, so there's a massive neotropical butterfly found from Mexico through Central America and down to the Amazon. Famous for the giant owl-like eye spots on its underwings, it uses these markings to startle predators like birds and lizards. Oh, we can just use this. Wingspan reaches up to 15 to 17 centimeters. Oh my gosh! Making one of the largest butterfly species in the world. Holy moly, that's a big butterfly. Diet: instead of flower nectar, adults feed exclusively on the juices of fermenting, rotting tropical fruits like bananas and mangoes. Behavior: they are crepuscular. I don't think I said that right. Meaning they are primarily active during the low light hours of dusk and dawn, so they're like a moth. And camouflage, I mean, we know that. Distribution: thrives in the deep rainforests, secondary forests, and agricultural zones of the neotropics. Lifespan: the adult butterfly only lives for about 2 weeks. What? 2 weeks? It's low-key sad. Here for 2 weeks and then goes, okay, bye. Well then, there's our little butterfly of the day. That's crazy. Back to the charts. Here we go. Here we go. Create a bit of a SMT on ES right there. Ooh, I've missed some things. Copy Algo, didn't create this one. We do found that. Except Sundays. Quoting is reacting to what is already been put in motion, making the This way some guy trades ICT. The other one, do. The antisocial butterfly is the best. Thank you, Dylan. Best one picks, best butterflies, my I know. Then in blind mom, one trip, interesting race. I'm not happy. No, I can't trade, but I know you trade. Biosol based on sentiment, pretty green camouflage and pretty big. A butterfly way over top the 88th butterfly. My eyes were blessed. Flip statistically, one is a losing trader. Dan W, why do you say that? My gosh, why do we have drama in the chat today? Why? Just why? Why is there drama? Why do we have drama? Why be there drama today? Unnecessary drama. No. Miko, but why do you want to? Am I just gonna be the one picking the butterflies? Yeah, you're another butterfly guy. Just saying. You are. Boom, the butterfly guy. Lifestyle, I guess that's actually valid. That's true. That's true. I can't deny that. Sideways means we're all sitting here going, why? Dylan, why are you saying that to yourself? What's happening? Let me pick butterflies. Okay, I'd learned to pick a butterfly. I know a lot of tramp stamps I can choose from. Wow. Boom, butterfly, banana. Here we go. Because 97% are losing traders. Yes, but do you want to know why? It sounds like a child. I don't really know what is going on. My hardcore minivans. Is that a mom joke? Dylan, why were you telling yourself to be quiet? I'm so confused. You just want to be part of the drama. Right here. Arrow. Dylan be yapping too much, but you're Dylan. I'm so confused. I just want to be here. The levels of the stupidness sometimes. The other half of might make me feel better. I like how you just let the boys fight it out. Yeah, that's none of my business. Y'all want to be dramatic? I will. Oh, I don't have popcorn. Oh no. I was gonna say I'll go get the popcorn. I mean 40% give up in the first year, so that means I leave my meal and the 60% left. Yes, life sound. We've got this, bud. Do I have to ban people in this chat? Ooh, Boom's coming for you. Quitters never win and winners never quit. Check, I love that. Hey, Boom Butterfly, welcome to the real stream. Boom, not just yet. I'm curious. Dylan feels left out. He does, Dylan. We won't make you go anywhere. Abracadabra. My lifestyle can drag down the market. Listen here. I'm curious. You guys are gonna yell at me. Anyways. I'm gonna leave Atlanta alone in the other chat. OTT bourbon catching bangers on his. Me and you both, Boom. I'm also waiting for OTT to stream. I'm just here going, what is happening? Maybe we could admire a conference, we could all just cage fight. OnlyFans go until 2027. Boom, streaming scary. Do it, OTT. Especially in the beginning, you're gonna be just fine. Has anyone taken a trade? Oh no, Moonshine did one earlier. I tried to get in here. You can't say I didn't try to get in here. It just didn't come back down to get me. Oh, 27. OTT will never stream. Oh. OTT, trust we can team up and take Maya's people. Oh, that's not very nice, is it? Bird. Like some vampire that won't be seen or something. Boom, so we can leave Maya on 0 subs. What? Wow. Wow. Okay then. Okay then. Come on, markets, give us something good today, please. It's like the last proper day. I want something amazing. Give us something amazing. Maybe it's not gonna happen. Maybe a headbutt for sniper entries. The haters keep hating. Is what they do. I really want to hear OTT's voice. Now Maya nailed mine earlier, so now we want some Kermit. Not OTT, you mean Boom Bananas. What does Kermit even sound like? I could do Elmo. No, attempt to do Elmo. I don't think I'll be able to do Kermit the Frog. Hey-o, I'm Kermit the Frog. Did I nail it? Is that what he sounds like? He sounds like Poopa by now. What? No, what? My bad. I'm not on anyone's side. How was that? Did I nail that? Smashed it. Yay. What? Catching strays. I should have said. And that's just mad at me. Oh, that makes more sense. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can do Elmo. Specifically Elmo crashing out over Rocco the Rock, because I think it's so funny. So no, we know you can't do accent animation. doing a backflip, Dylan. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. That was hilarious. Oh man, that was amazing. I'm chuffed for that. Okay. What? Where does he go? Oh, that was a rock. Come on, that one wasn't bad. Nailed the Elmo voice. Oh, I have to do the Elmo voice. Oh, sorry, I'm not crying. I'm laughing. I'm crying with laughter. I did, Hammer. I was waiting for you. I did the whole... I drew the curtain and everything. What do you think? Ah, flip. If Maya's happy, I guess it's okay. Come on, don't lie. The Elmo voice was good. Maya, when we're gonna stream again? I mean, boom, if you want, we could do a stream maybe tomorrow morning. It'll be my last stream down here. It's up to you. Now do the Cookie Monster. I don't even know how the Cookie Monster sounds. When the boom video coming out. Ooh, I've been bad with editing. I have a pet peeve with Maya. She laughs and talks at the same time, so it sounds like you're closing and opening a door while someone's talking to you. What? Ooh! Sorry. Oh, it didn't quite retrace far enough down. Okay, took out the high. I have a pet peeve with Maya. She laughs and talks at the same time, so it sounds like she's closing and opening a door. Damn, now that's gonna bug me so much. You got the... Oh, yeah. Probably. At least I got it before I went up there. Can you imagine? Well, on that bombshell, I'm off, guys. Always a pleasure. Good to see you back smiling. Oh, cheers, life sound. Enjoy. I am streaming New York. Oh, boom, what were you thinking of doing New York? Shares down it with some short position holding. Probably that. It's never coming. Took the high. Wow, that's like a triple top going on over here on ES. Now, what am I doing? This one's risky. Oh, okay, but too risky. Not a good setup. I'm trying to not make it complicated, people. Okay, I'm trying. I'm doing my best to not make it complicated. Replay that. You need to live stream the video in the middle of your actual live stream. What do you mean? Sorry, I just heard a very weird noise outside. Nope, nope, nope. Why is it choppy today? Come on, I want today. Like, want today. What? I want to take a trade today. Next time I leave, she's gonna realize she talks enough. This is gonna bug me so much. I want to test it now, but you'll have to say something funny so that I can laugh and then talk. Well, I'll catch you later. Oh, cheers, Dylan. Enjoy. It's like I know someone. His laugh terrifies me because he doesn't laugh. I'm pretty sure he's like a psychopath or something. I don't know. He doesn't laugh with his eyes, if that makes sense. So he's laughing and he's literally going nah, 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 like his jaw does that thing. Nah, nah, nah. Number one, that's weird. And his eyes aren't smiling or laughing. He's just making noise, literally with his mouth. It scares the living daylights out of me. Emma, how have you been? Did you finally drive down to KZN? You decided, nah, you're just gonna chill in Joburg where it's cold. Looks like a W pen. Thank you, Mikuave. It terrifies me. Okay. So anyways, yes. Like I was saying. Big scary, no thanks. What's up, soldier boy? How you doing? Damn autocorrect. That's okay. How you doing, soldier boy? Sorry, stretching. I'm there already. On screen recorders. Hiya. No, I skipped the Durban thing. Was not feeling it, and now I'm watching them all before I make a move. Right. I think I'm gonna be driving up in the middle of all the chaos. Hopefully not. Hey, what's up, Samuel? You're the only person I've seen randomly hiccup and then just stop at least once a day. Is that not normal? I mean, I am weird. I feel like you know this. This is not new information. Huh. Potentially see it go down on ES? Am I overcomplicating things? I'm trying my best not to. I'm trying my best not to. See, trying to keep this all clear. All clear. Leaving it alone. Unfortunately, you're thinking pork chop that rent, probably Samuel. Which sucks. I was really wanting to get some bangers today. Pity. Oh well. I had 2 days without power, so I'm back in dark. I'm also stuck with the fire. What the heck, Hammer? What's going on that side? I'm lucky where I'm going has solar. Flip. Okay. Meep. No. No. Ta-da! So, what's everybody planning for the week? I was gonna say weekend, I was like, nah, today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Happy haps. Yeah, anything cool? I have solar, but for lights on my phone. not entertainment. Oh, that's fair. There might be a chance to go up. What do you mean, why is it Wednesday? Why are you not happy that it's Wednesday? Why, I have screen recorded proof. Please send it. This is gonna bug me now. You talk and laugh. Are you gonna send me the screen recording? Apparently I don't know how to speak anymore. Thank you, Samuel. Happy Wednesday to everybody. We're just gonna sit here and watch this and be like, what happens next? We're doing this thing. That's W's for a good Wednesday. Oh, I love it. That is the plan, right? Except for the fact that the price is just not actioning right now. Literally, the price is just not actioning. Okay, what's on your phone? Oh, thanks, Samuel. Well, I feel better. I do feel a little bit better today. What's up, Remy? How are you? Alani, you're saying bye. Just bye. Wait. I want to listen to this. Okay, I see. So you're saying when I have a giggle in between, is that a little bit like that? Oh my gosh! Thanks for that one. Thanks for that one, Ollie. That's now gonna bug me. Stuck in the zone right now. Yep. We are very much stuck in the zone right now. Just watching this going sideways, barcoding, being irritating. Right? Did you finally see the torture you put us through, my guy? I know the torture I put you through. You choose to come back. That's not on me, that's on you. I'm just saying. That's on you. Kalani says bye. Okay. You read comments and laugh, so read it and go, uh-huh. So, uh-huh. Is this uh-huh zone right now? Okay. I don't know how to not do that. Okay, you read comments and laugh, so read it and go, stuck in this zone. Okay. I've never realized that I do that. Thanks for breaking that glass. What's up, Soldier? Waters trade on Nasdaq. What? Yes, Remy, I am in South Africa. Why? What's up? Thanks, Ollie. Kalani, you said bye. I bought. Now what? We're in the red, my guy. Watch, because I'm being a little bit cocky, it's not gonna go up properly. Is it in? For now, Remy. Until Friday, and then Saturday I'm back up Joburg side of the world. I've broken your brain now. You're gonna think about it every time. I am. I'm not gonna be able to laugh like a normal person. What's up, Boom? Why are you saying Maya? Watch Dr. Stone the anime. Okay. Is it good? I watched ReZero. Actually, I should. Because I've been... yeah. Dr. Stone. I'm on it. Ah, look at that, Kalani. Looks like a buy didn't work. How did you get a funded account with mad skills, Remy? By passing an eval. Believe it or not, I know it's hard to believe right now. With all the shenanigans, but I did actually pass an eval. You're gonna love the cold weather. I feel like you're mocking me, and that's rude. Yeah, like I said, Remy, we had this discussion earlier. I may or may not have gone and completely overcomplicated everything. So that's why I'm trying, okay, one step at a time. I'm trying to take everything off my charts and trying to go back to the simple way of trading. Large selling volume 12 minutes ago is keeping it range bound. What's up, Bob? How you doing? Do you see I attempted to take things off? Okay, so Alani, do you want to tell me it's buy again? No? Yes? Maybe? Okay. Sorry, I'm being sassy. My bad. Remy, email? I don't use email. Bob, how are you? Do you see I've tried to take the Bob levels off. I'm trying to make things less complicated. I take what you say seriously. I am trying. Look at that. Into that volume imbalance and then went down. Okay. Some haircut the comedian didn't power by saying his laugh sound like. To be fair, he does have a distinct laugh. Your stops are too small. Ah, do you see? That's the problem. You can't say buy without giving specifics. You also can't say buy without knowing how people trade. You can't say buy without saying why you should buy. Woke up to make water, going back to bed. Woke up to make water? Make water. How are you making water? What's up? Jim clarifies, how do you know? Wow, that was good. Not to be complicated, but looks like a double. Maybe he's okay. That's a go TD. Oh my gosh. Okay. 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 That's amazing. Sorry. Sorry that I feel like I kind of called you out on that for no reason. Anyways. Huh. Maybe, like, do I try this little thing? Because I could try this little thing, but maybe not. Is that a... Thank you. Actually, comfortable chopping which isn't the one. Remy, boom, you say take it. No, you know what, actually. Sure. Yeah, whatever. Yep. It reached the half point, so now there. Mitigate risk by half. Shouldn't really, but whatever. Like that. I'm sticking with my rules, which was it did go down 50%. You can see that. So it did reach 1-to-1, so I mitigated risk by half. Goes down to there. And then go break even if it goes down. Look at that volume, it's not moving much. It's really not. TP midnight. Midnight! Do I trade? No, I don't. Sorry, Vickers. Aw, enjoy the pool, Deb. Set TP to your buy limit. What do you mean? Trading is everyone just quit. OTT, you be quiet, Mr. I've been on a winning streak for how long? Oh, it tapped into VWAP on ES. Oopsies. Oh well. Ah. Shucksy doodles. Oh well. Decent rejection off of there. Don't you flipping dare. OTT, what were you saying about it being a scam? What the... Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, 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 cool. 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 What the actual... I was thinking, oh, when it's choppy, don't move it, but it's fine. Doesn't count. What do you mean doesn't count? Cannot believe that. What was it? I cannot believe it did that. Dave, just a quick question. What does VWAP do? It can be a bit of a magnet slash bounce level. That sounds weird. How did you sing it in my life? You lost because of me? Nah, I didn't. Oh, I can't believe it did that. That was a little bit rude. That was a little bit rude. VWAP does diddly squat. Wow. Market? I'm a little bit offended by that. That was unnecessary. Let's get it down. Delete VWAP, it's a scam. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, this price action's a damn scam. Seriously. Price action is driving me crazy. Ah, still a valid entry. Still irritating. Delete trading view, it's fixed. I feel like the bigger question is where's everything? It's gone. How you doing, Monte? Am I offended by that? A little bit. A little bit. It was a good trade. It was just, rude. This PA is about to rip to 860. We'll see. Delete the candles, they're the biggest scam out there. Alright, now delete life, it's all a scam. Damn, Monte. It's dark as heck. Ooh, I see. So we just filled this gap. Now let's see what happens here. I'm joining team. Jules doesn't even use candles. What? Hey, Boris, what part of Africa? KZN? Or you saying like Africa? So South Africa? I guess we can all take comfort in the fact that this better. Shaki, why are you like this? Why are you like this? Where's Hammer? Hammer, do you see what you've done? Price action moves to down volume as well. Now we might have something on the first blue market dollar because that's when you went full blood. BP levels of are still on that stage. Do you use STDV? No, what's that? That sounds like a disease. Bye, boom. This is our end. Why? What do you mean? What's happening? Earth has bumps. Oh no! Oh, oh my god, sounds a little like a disease. But anyways, oh, blup. You guys are too funny. 4:59. Let's see. The new hourly is about to happen soon. I need to teach you, like, you explained to me using BB. That was an amazing trading model with Delta, the thing called, you know, order with the individual candle. They say separate this time. I think they're going down. Arthur, are you actually talking about real things here? I feel like you're not. I'm very confused. Bye, Boom! What's wrong with Boom? Okay, here's the 5 a.m. Whee! Let's do this. I'm gonna make you smaller because you're irritating me. Okay. 5 a.m. candle. Is it just me, or is time going backwards today? Good. Actual grief. Okay. I'm very lost about something, but that's fine. Yeah, the entry model is the best model. Perfect TP technically is all about perspective. The sun revolves around the sun from the sun's point of. I mean, Monte's coming with facts today. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, so this price action sucks. I was hoping for some good stuff today. Is there any news or something? Is that why it's being like this? Anyone know? 32, that's gonna be fairly via. Monte, do an account giveaway. Hell no. Why do y'all want to count giveaways? Pause is close to saying it. Who needs price action when you have us? That is true. Hi, do you have income? Yes, you're moving. That's the news. Nice. I need them for a friend. Oh, flip. Just for a friend, right? Hey, Soldier Boy, that was really good. That was really funny. Okay. 502. Everything. No. Everything's starting to hurt again. I'm sure it's fine. Hey, Atlanta, that's cool. Well done for saving money. Oopsies. Oh my goodness, why is price action like this today? And I know this like 5 to 6 a.m. is one of the worst flipping times to trade. Did I not have a hot toddy? I didn't, because I told you, I don't have any of the ingredients. Literally not one single ingredient. It may get down to the app if at least shorted 50% away. Yeah, Mikwab, I don't got any of those ingredients. Unfortunately, and I'm not gonna go buy because I need less things to take up with me, not more. I don't have lemon. Don't have honey. I have hot water. Should I just have a sip of hot water? Your life in mine, especially when you're fully. Oh, I was like, did you just call me broke? I mean, you're not wrong, but that's not the point here. Give me a second. Is that trade not working out? It kind of is. Okay, then. My card doesn't have anything including it. You have money, you know. I go where's not. And YouTube, teach by cooking. Someone hack into Vi's PC and take the short for her. I can't believe it now worked out perfectly. Oh well. Oh. See how simply, but not the whole bottle. Fully again. A good alcoholic never worries about time. Damn. Soldier boy. Damn. OTT is too pure and innocent for this. Were you guys just watching Perry this whole time? He's just chilling. Give OTT a strong beer. OTT just needs himself a good old milkshake. My milkshake brings out the boys in your team. Why does the price action suck so much today? Seriously, this price action sucks. Was Barry watching us? That's the question. Yeah, he can see into your souls. He knows everything. He can tell if you're a good person. Seriously, if Perry barks at you, you should be concerned. I will go for a walk and I'll walk past like 20 people. And then there'll be one person that he barks at and I instantly go, okay, there's something wrong with that person. You say Soldier Boy in that old white lady British accent. It's so funny. Soldier Boy? How? What? Why? You should give up trading and be a singer. I'll buy your first album for 500 bucks. I don't even know what I'd sing about. Tootly doo doo doo. Nailed it. ODG tried tequila heads up. A proper bottle has a treat inside it. Ew, no. Debbie, no. Actually, one night come on Discord, we could do alcohol tasting. What's up, some guy? You're in time for people that are being bad and trying to get for OTT to have alcohol. Hey, Wade. I can't help it if I carry bacon in my pocket. Then he wouldn't bark at you, he would run up to you and potentially knock you over. Hey, Dilshan, what's up? Nah, OTT's never drank before. Only milkshakes. What's the better idea, OTT? Price action sucks on my lurks deep enough to make an unprofitable trader cry. What's up? I took them down. What do you think, some guy? If this boy says juice tasting. To be honest, if you ain't a drink, you ain't missing out. I agree with some guy. Mikwa would be nice. OTT needs to stay cute and innocent and adorable for as long as possible. A good shot. You should start with 2 banana milkshakes. A beer float for OTT, a scoop of ice cream and some beer. Guys, that is nasty. That is actually nasty. No. Juice tasting sounds fire, but meaning to try grape juice and fried chicken. I'd rather be an alcoholic than about your banana milkshake. I mean, you do owe Debbie at least one. I'm just saying. A banana milkshake is owed to Debbie by you. I'm putting that out there. Oh, the headaches come back. Okay, so let's watch this now. Now it's climbing. Okay. He's got a little bit of a move going here. It's actually pretty good if you pick the right kind of beer. Oh, if you call me monkey. I like banana milkshakes. Me and ICT had a better 2 for 2. I still don't get this milkshake thing. It's absolutely disgusting. What's disgusting? Milkshakes. All right. Yeah, OTT owes Debbie 2 milkshakes. So what this price action is doing to me, putting me to sleep. It's not that I wasn't allowed to drink, I just never cared for it. I don't know if that makes sense. It does make sense. This here? Are you talking about, this range? Yeah? Like this full range here? Let's see if it goes all the way up there. The 15-minute range, may have been break even. So this is the, no, that's not the 15-minute range. Where's the 15-minute range? 15-minute range is from the bottom over there. Is it? Good grief, it is too. Yeah. Oh no, 15-minute range is still in play. I'll just have juice or water or something. I'm here. TT, I drink every day, not addicted. Technically, you're right, but you're also sort of fact, you're just consistent. Okay. Okay, I'm reading this conversation. My crazy people forgot about that. Huawei is a bad influence. Do we think we're gonna get a breakout out of this? I'm not so sure. Okay. Yo, looks like this. Let's see what this does. Stop feeling like a fuzzy. I can't be a gambler now. Gotta pick one. Yeah, there it goes all the way down again. I'm trying to decide if we call it early today. Cause what even is this? What even is this? Wow. I mean, I guess let's at least give it till past, right? At least give it till past. That might call a little bit early. But we'll then be back for New York regardless. Maybe we'll get some bangers with New York. We have then 2 more trading sessions to go. New York and tomorrow London. And then we'll see what happens from there. Stevie and alcoholic both takes your money away. Not being really bad influences. I really hope you know that. OTT, you better ignore all of them. How long before you're operational at the new location? Well, things are only arriving on the Monday. Don't ask me what time on the Monday, but they're only arriving on the Monday. I mean, I might be operational on the Tuesday. Might being the key word. I'll have to see how quickly I get things set up. Hashtag bring back the old backdrop. Why is that, some guy? Why don't you like this back? Why don't you like my room? Well, it's not really my room, but you know what I mean. I mean, order a whiskey real. That's a bad one to start with. You know, I like the cardboard cutouts better than this curtain thing. Ah, what's wrong with my curtains? You'll be sick. No, I still think if being the keyword, if OTT has a drink, he has to start with something yummy, not flipping whiskey. Gosh. Yes, this evening will be my last New York session at this current spot. Malu, what's up? Just over a year. I gotta get back to work. Have a good day. Aww. Cheers, some guy. Thanks for popping in. Enjoy work. Don't worry, I'm watching this going, We need to be in a basement with a lava lamp. That sounds dodgy as heck. Also, I don't have a basement. I think you should start with the raspberry vodka and Sprite. That's a good idea. There's also grape flavored vodka. That's a great idea. The only problem is it tastes like juice. I'm only to take a I think it's a great idea. Don't have yucky things, have something nummy. Okay. Just okay right now. I don't know if I'm gonna get something. I'm not, it's just because the grape vodka is my favorite microwave. I wanna be a man, drink whiskey. I've seen that maybe, so wanna drink bourbon. I wanna be like No, literally, grape vodka is just my favorite. It's my favorite. Stop it, you guys. Let's see how this reacts here. Looking at this price section. Okay. No, that was uncalled, but I didn't do anything. It's going up and then it's going down. Timeout. Okay, I'll go on a timeout. But even though I didn't do anything wrong, I'll go on a timeout. I did nothing wrong. 1 minute timeout. Oopsies. Okay, 1 minute timeout. Go. What the heck have I been reading? First of all, is there watermelon flavored vodka? If there is, I really want some. That sounds amazing. Second of all, what is turnip and broccoli bottom for me? What? Something. I gotta be. Calm down. Of the 9. There's not. Is there actually like watermelon flavored vodka? I really kind of want some then. 9:24. I might call it at the half past. Just saying. I might call it at the half hour because this is giving us nothing. Which is irritating me. Oh my gosh, they do. Oh! Well, that's watermelon and mint. I want just watermelon. Oh my gosh, they do. Why is it so... Okay, this one's not expensive. I'm gonna flip and go get myself some of this. Watermelon flavored vodka, yes please. But I don't want the end mint, I just want pure watermelon. No, but that's shots, I don't want shots. Ooh. No, but that's... no. I just want watermelon. Sweet watermelon vodka. 300 rand, no thanks. That's expensive. Okay. Sorry, back to focusing. Now we know that your coffee has been spiked with... I know, I would be a lot more... I don't know if unhinged is the right word. Went break even. Nice, soldier boy. Why are we choppy today? Let's go volatility. This is what you want. Bruh, I wouldn't quite call this volatile right now. It's still going sideways. What? What do you mean mid? Why do you say that? What? OTT choppy algo. What? I'm offended. A nice little cell setup and goal. Did SpaceX just suck the market's life? Probably. Grape better, grape and pineapple and lychee's top 3 fruits. I do like grape, pineapple, and lychees. Well, I haven't actually had lychees in quite a while, which is quite sad thinking about it like that. Anyways, 3 minutes to go. Wait till 6. Why do you say that, Lavon? Yeah, but, you know, I'm either going to be leaving at 6, but it sounds like at 6 is when it'll start to do stuff, so... Why the dip, it shouldn't mess the market up too bad. Oh, Mikuave, do you say lychee? It's lychee? It's not lychee, it's lychee. I don't mean to be that guy. No, it's not. How do you spell lychee? That's L-I... Lychee. Lychee. Oh my gosh. I'm now questioning my life. How do you spell lychee? No, literally lychee fruit. But here they say it's lychees, but they know what I'm talking about when I type lychee. What's happening? Ooh, so many questions. Okay. Can't believe that. Pity. No, thank you, OTT. I'm also like, wait a second. England, right? We gave you all the information. Okay, but it's a lychee. I refuse to call it lychee, just like I refuse to say yogurt. It's yogurt. Maya, do not take this. No, I'm not gonna take this, don't worry. It's lychee and yogurt, not lychee and yogurt. Am I saying that right? I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Sorry, it's like an ongoing battle with microwave. Huh. Lychee doesn't sound. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh. You nearly killed me with that comment. Okay, it's back to being chip choppy. Oh guys, it's back to being choppy. Why? I want it to be a good day. I wanted to take some risks today. I mean, I did take a risk with this trade earlier, so I guess that's something up. But yeah, I want to take some risks today. Take some more trades. That's okay. We'll be back for New York session, right? Maybe today is the day. Today is the day. Yeah, no, I'm not taking trades in this chop, so I'm calling it a bit early because I'm sick of this. I'm just sick. But of this as well. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York. It's my last New York session in KZN. So let's see if the market gives us something good. Okay, so love you guys madly. Let's see what New York brings. See what New York brings. Okay, trade safe, guys.